साइरस के डबल मीनिंग में पहला मीनिंग भी सेक्सी है.
My 35 male sperm is gone.
What?
Old man still trying.
sex.
जावेद साहब you like Cyrus साहब.
No. I want him on the show.
देखिए ऐसा है.
No.
You are more concerned about offending Javed Akhtar than Farah Khan.
Then Modi.
Than Modi ji.
They're all friends.
Yeah, I know. You are very diplomatic.
PM says Mitra all the time.
That's true.
So we are friends.
और चंद्रमुखी. Let
What are you doing?
Tonally,
Bhool Bhulaiya is an official remake of the 1993 Malayalam classic. What is that?
Ma tujhe salam.
Tonally, Bhool Bhulaiya is closer to Chandramukhi than it is to the original Malayalam film.
Urjita has won Wimbledon. Fuck off. Yes, we've updated. Urjita has definitely not come for the updated show. We've got so much money, Abbas. So much
You
money.
again?
And
Last time also you told
I
me
am
the same
donating
thing.
right now to Venezuela where that tragedy has happened. Or I'm sending money from IBM. Because we have
Donate some to me also, no?
No, but you're not a tragedy, no?
Big time I am. My
You feel?
life is a tragedy, yeah.
I feel that's too much. Yeah. You look healthy.
Thank you.
No.
That's one way of you saying I look fat.
See, when you talk Garib and all that, no, when you talk Garib and all, the person should look the part, yeah.
मैं गरीब दिखती हूँ. I think अब्बास के सामने.
No. Ever since you married into the Malayali family.
I work from home now, so I'm like my ass doesn't even travel from my place to the workplace. It's just everything. I'm
But
just
everything is work from home.
sitting on my ass.
And you're
now.
writing.
Writing, posting,
And you're
everything is in front of a laptop.
You're also working. You're doing scripts and all for someone.
Yeah.
So you don't have to come in.
No.
Wow. Either that or the BO issue become a big issue. It's a company
BO issue?
No, I'm just kidding.
Box office?
Box office. we have to do more.
Yeah, sure.
1 साल 2 साल हो गया.
नहीं 1 साल से ज्यादा हो
Has it aged
गया.
well, ना?
नहीं शादी.
What? अच्छा शादी.
As the shadi aged well, Urjita.
Okay. Sorry.
What a
I'm
great,
like-
what a great line for.
But I am so happy
Yeah.
that before her marriage she
Yeah,
thought of the
yeah,
podcast.
Yeah. First recall was that.
नहीं शादी को 1 साल हो गया. Yes. But we have been living together for about 3 years now. So it
All
feels
that.
like 3
They
साल
were
हो
living
गए.
in
Before marriage?
sin, living
Yeah.
in sin before that.
Yes.
Cyrus.
We get the Parampara and Sanskriti book. I want to see where it is allowed.
But
that
we-
this Nari.
But we got married also, no? So it got all covered up.
No, but you got
then
married
you're
after living for 2
forgiven.
years.
Yeah, but then people didn't know
So
before.
what did your
na.
parents say about 2 years? They
Parents
didn't know.
said, no, of course they knew.
Ah,
Of
because
course
you're
they
living
knew.
somewhere where you, what are you going to say?
Yeah. No, they said ki okay, but get married to him only. That was their only
अगर
condition.
पाप
They said,
किया तो make him a pap. So
Cyrus, yeah.
language. Old man still trying. 1 year.
Yeah.
Man, your
More
Hindu
than
genes
1
are
year.
overpowering your
The
Parsi
genes are very
genes.
strong, very strong. But so children?
Children? What children?
Nahi,
Who's your
that's the
children?
next
How are
step.
your children?
Come on, Baba. Just get it out of the system.
Get it out. क्या पहुंची है क्या? Get it out of
नहीं,
the system.
But you just said that you learned in Malayalam how to say 1, 2, 3. Tell us.
Tell us what.
Say 1, 2, 3 in Malayalam.
1, 2. Because Malayalis, they speak English.
This is a level of comedy.
When
You'll never get on
This is
latent.
a level of
You want to get on
interviews,
latent?
yeah.
3, 4.
So she's
Sorry.
not answering that question. So obviously it's an awkward point. I won't get into it about having kids or not. But you're young, so I guess there's still time. How old is he?
He is 33. He
My
just
35
turned
male
33.
sperm is gone.
What?
Gone where?
Sorry. Adopt, don't shop. Adopt. Indian
So it's
urban
been
men-
3 years
Indian urban men,
since
So
my.
you're -3 now. Yeah.
अरे यार.
So now you don't need protection because you're
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Chota
If
Abbas
something
is,
goes wrong, I'm blaming you, huh?
why blame me?
Because you are telling me
It's
not
not
to.
something goes right, you have to blame me. No? The poor thing, the wife is waiting. कभी होगा.
Wife? I don't have a wife.
तो बच्चे कैसे करने वाले
Achha,
थे?
you're going
Huh?
behind the scenes.
Asexual
What behind the
reproduction,
scenes?
what were you planning
No,
to do?
nothing,
He
yaar.
wants to impregnate a girl who's not his wife. Then whose wife is she?
What is this? This show from the 1970s? What is happening?
Yeah. Nothing. Our standards have remained.
I know,
low.
that's
You
true,
know,
yeah.
Yeah.
But tell us about yourselves sir, before we start the great path-breaking news
सबको
stories.
पता है सब कुछ. क्या बताने का अभी?
Yeah, you haven't come for some time, yaar.
I was here in April. Nothing
Girlfriend
much.
के
अरे
बारे में.
नहीं
We know
है
she's
यार.
married.
I don't have a
That you
girlfriend.
broke up.
By the way, I
That
just
was
want
a
to
long
say,
time
I just
ago.
want to say, I have run into a bus twice or thrice now in movie theaters. Okay.
Yeah.
Late night shows. Okay. I come with my husband, and every time he has come with a different girl. Just saying.
No, because I have friends, yeah. It's a different friend every time.
Of course, yes.
Let's divide the
इसको
word.
देखिए ना मक्खन लग रहा है लेट नाइट शो में आता है अलग अलग लड़कियों को लाके
Here's a point here. You have to divide
Front
your name.
seat पे
into
बैठ
a
के।
bus. Settle down. 38 now.
Why?
no?
Yeah.
Why are you jealous of him? Let him have fun.
First that he can stay up for late night shows. That's my first jealousy. Second that my girl's
That's
changing
true.
every time. But what does he say when he sees you? Is he like friendly?
He's
or
like, oh, अरे ये तो हमारे बाजू वाली है. He doesn't.
your husband likes him?
Huh? Yeah. Husband likes him. Yeah.
Why would he not like me?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sometimes they don't like them because you all have a history. Not like
What
that.
History.
Oh, you all have been your careers on the same time started.
Yeah,
sort of.
No, he's
He
very
used to
jealous of
be-
me. He's like, क्या?
He used to be my younger brother at one point. That is the dynamic we shared.
Genetics में एक चीज है,
Yeah,
yeah. What
he
is
used
it?
to wear Rakhi.
Yeah.
No, he used to
No,
tie me
our
Rakhi.
husband is very jealous
She
of
doesn't
me.
know the Rakhi philosophy only.
What?
Yeah.
Make up your mind. He
You
ties
don't
you
know the
Rakhi or he
co-worker
wears Rakhi.
philosophy. You don't know the
You're making
co-worker
him wear.
philosophy.
You're making him wear the Rakhi or you're wearing the Rakhi.
No,
What
I'm
do you
wearing the
decide?
Rakhi.
We
he's
both tie
tying
each
me.
other Rakhi.
Yeah, because I'm stronger than him, so I
That's
can
true,
protect
yeah.
him. Yeah.
I can't argue with that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a fair point. Women are sort of female Shakti is always better.
Urjita's the kind of friend, you know, वो जब भी रेस्टोरेंट में खाना नहीं आता तो बोलते हैं, "तू पूछ के है ना जरा खाना क्यों नहीं आ रहा?"
That's true. That's true. That's true. मैं राड़ा करने में बहुत माहिर हूँ.
But you have such nice chemistry. I would get jealous if I was the husband because see, anyone from the past when you meet a couple and you're from the past, sometimes the friendliness is a little irritating to the
Past,
present.
no, she was already dating him.
Yeah.
The familiarity.
Yeah. But I was already dating Manu.
But you spend
No, I'm telling you, he's very
every
jealous.
night you're spending with this guy on stage.
What rubbish he's saying? How are you not a journalist yet?
Because
You would
Arnav
do
has taken all the
such a-
spots.
You would do such a fab job.
Investigated. But speaking of which, your Twitter account,
Has been hacked.
this is not a joke.
This is not a joke.
Really true.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, Twitter account पे कैसे आ गए हम?
Investigation, I
say
thought.
okay.
Investigation, huh?
Sorry.
Yeah,
yes,
so it's been about 2 weeks. My Twitter handle has been hacked. I've had that Twitter handle since 2009. So I've had it for
When you were 4 years old, when you first attacked the government.
some,
As
how
good.
many years is that? Almost 15, 16 years I've had it.
Yeah, yeah.
And it hadn't been hacked. So the modus operandi of this group is that I got a DM from a journalist who I follow.
Hmm.
I've never met this journalist in real life.
Is that
but
the girlfriend of yours then?
No,
She was in
I'm
the
telling you, I've never met her in real life.
Okay, sorry.
The message says that the DM.
Cyrus.
No,
That's the main story. Main story hota hai. We are going to the side stories.
Never tell Cyrus about your affair.
Yeah, never, ever,
Never
ever,
give
ever.
them any details.
Simple reference to context, na? Girlfriend, journalist. Abhi ye bhi journalist. Come on.
Last time I was here on near my birthday, you were wanted me to confess that I'm gonna have a threesome on my birthday.
Okay,
Yeah,
play
that's
the
what I
tape.
had.
Akanksha, play the
मैंने
tape.
बोला था
I did not. He was telling me
मैं
about
दो
these
दो
girls.
फ्रेंड्स के साथ
Exactly.
फिल्म देखने जाऊंगा
Exactly.
and you were like and after that what will happen
Yeah,
what is the mix up one
Cyrus-
girl one boy
Dude,
two girls
Cyrus
Nobody
के-
told me. Two girls.
Cyrus के डबल मीनिंग में पहला मीनिंग भी सेक्सी है. Cyrus is so obsessed.
Technically, it's not sex. It's dynamics. Because he goes with
There's
two
only
girls.
one dynamic you're thinking
उसका-
of. You don't look at two people and go, ये चाचा भतीजा vibe दे रहे हैं.
Why? I'm the listener. He was giving me the information. I was just listening. He told me कि दो लड़की हैं. I go to the same two girls. One is only a
I
friend.
go to the same two
One is
girls?
only a friend and one was a possible and then it didn't
I
work out.
matched with her on a dating app but then
And you went out.
on a few dates
And then
yeah
you
but then
ate her-
nothing
You
happened
ate her food. And then, Mama was like, have you finished the paneer?
but then nothing happened
But now
so,
you're
yeah,
friends.
now we're friends
She said anything but we can't eat together. but
I
anything
just
else.
want to say Cyrus is trying so hard to audition for latent here. ये young लोग ऐसे तो बात करते हैं.
अरे, I
ये
do-
ब्रेड के बीच में सेक्स घुसा दो ये.
I went to Ranveer's house for tuition.
पति पति के बीच में
For
क्या
tuition,
होता है?
for to come on latent
You know how to say the wrong thing. Like a really wrong thing. Sorry, let's get back to Sarkar's story. Yeah.
no so you got I got a DM
Twitter, yes.
DM from a journalist that I have been nominated for a journalism award, and please vote for me at this link.
So known name. The person is a known person.
Known person. I mean,
Whether it's
decently.
fake, you don't know yet, but I'm saying the name is real, right?
Yeah, genuine person,
the
genuine
name?
journalist. That I shouldn't say.
Why?
No, but because I don't want
Urshita, why can't you say the name?
I also don't know the name.
But
I
he
also
never
don't
tells us
know.
details.
Anyway, when you click on the
Yeah,
link,
because when he tells you his details, then you ask him like,
Yeah.
hey, what happened to
Now
this
if I-
girlfriend of
yeah.
yours who went to DPS school, who is a journalist?
Hey, Baba,
Hey, what happened to
I
her?
swear he gave us the information, hence we went in that direction.
Yeah, but then maybe he's
How
not
do I-
with her
How do I
anymore.
remember that he went on a date? There was a small conversation a year ago. Sorry.
where was I?
I don't know,
So
but
when you
let's
click
finish
when
the
you
story.
click on the link to vote for the person,
Why
your
are you doing it
account
like
because
that?
there is no voting. The link is the
He's explaining the
compromise.
story in the story. What is it? You're too young. I don't understand. But
When you click on the link, it asks you to enter your Twitter ID, and you think, okay, this is to enter the portal to vote. But once you do that and click on enter, nothing happens. But what actually is happening is the details are going to the person, right? The hacker. So, but then interestingly, now that my account has been hacked, people who are getting DMs from me, it says I have been nominated for a podcasting award. So people actually think it's genuine because whoever this person
Information
is,
sounds
yeah.
correct, yeah.
And when you go on my profile, this person is retweeting all the left liberal journalists
What the
because
fuck?
because those are the people I've retweeted in the past. So a person thinks Abbas would retweet stuff like this, so it looks genuine.
So your Padmashri chances have gone down.
Totally.
Because
yeah.
you're...
So this
So anyway-
feels like a targeted attack.
Exactly.
It's not very
so
generic.
when even in this journalist, when I went to her profile to see, they had retweeted
Female journalist. With him, I tell you, even in trouble. बड़े नुकसान में.
They had retweeted stories from BBC and NBC and all this, which felt like it was a genuine Twitter this thing.
Abbas saw his profile and he's like, मैंने ही किया रहेगा यार. ये तो मैं ही लग रहा है.
So now my email associated with that has been hacked. Has been changed. The mobile number has been changed, and it
Wait, your
asks
primary email, you lost it?
email to sign into the Twitter.
Twitter.
They have changed the email to something else.
Acha, oh, okay. okay.
Email
But
I
your
still
email
have
is-
so
okay,
far.
you still have.
Thank God.
So
touch
what
wood.
is your action?
So I can't.
What can you do now?
Twitter help is of no use. Twice I wrote to them saying that my account. They asked you to fill up some form. When you fill up the form, they say कि नहीं तुम्हारे पास email तो है तुम्हारा तो तुमको क्या हो गया?
I'll
Then
just-
by the third time they are like, sorry, we can't do anything. This is.
Let me
yeah.
send you Elon Musk's number.
Yeah, please, I
and you
need
just deal directly with
Yeah.
him.
Okay,
From
yeah,
your
please.
Samsung Galaxy phone.
How
You're
do you
gonna
know?
send.
Is it correct?
I don't know.
It's not?
It's not iPhone for sure.
No, Chinese. I'm
Chinese,
very
yeah.
pro China, no? Food wise.
Okay.
Yeah.
What does that sound?
The producer of the show has tuned
Producer
out.
was chatting with the
watching
boyfriend.
watching something more interesting.
Yeah, your whole Twitter story is all fuck all. Yeah, it's not interested only. Your life is being ripped apart and no.
So
concern.
appeal to people who follow me on Twitter. It's not me actually. And if someone from X is watching this, please help me out to get my account back.
But who is someone from X? Now,
I don't know, some official person.
Who did you speak to? Are you speaking
No one.
to
I have
X or are you
been
speaking
email.
to... So who are those people? Are they representing
That's
the
what,
company
it's
or they're
just-
just going to some, third party?
Just some automated response.
Yeah, so that's
yeah,
what-
that's what I need. Some genuine person who works.
I had
at
uninstalled
Twitter
X
India.
when I saw his stories, so I'm gonna install it again now,
I think so.
just to put up a tweet for him.
And some 3-4 people through me have also gotten hacked.
So
like
that,
they clicked on
so
my-
that proves that they really wanted to support him, which is why they clicked
Yeah,
on the
all the
link.
good people.
So those guys are also slightly left-leaning people.
Yeah. That's what
Yeah.
I'm saying.
That
It seems
sounds
like
all good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I would have also supported. Thank God my Twitter was uninstalled.
Because we are not left-leaning. Why are we getting caught in this?
See, in this, comedians will never get hurt because comedians will never support another comedian. Like, साला मैं क्यों इसके लिए vote
Thank
करूं?
God you know. I was feeling so much pressure here. I was like, nah, okay, ठीक है अभी. Yeah.
Only one comedian, I should mention his name, Tushar Abhichandani, sent me a screenshot saying, "Ke bro, is this you?" I was like, "Nahi, please don't click on the
But
thing."
when his name is Abhi Chandani, it's does it mean like that only now it's Chandani?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Because that's
God,
confusing, right?
Cyrus.
Abhi Chandani, girl name. Achha,
Yeah, Tushar is his ex.
boyfriend.
Yeah.
What?
No, the
When
journalist.
Abbas changed the menu,
The journalist.
the journalist was a male all along.
Yeah.
He didn't know.
Hey, if you can't stop them, you confuse them.
Tushar used to do a show on this network.
Really?
Yeah, called Uncle Please Sit.
He used to do your show before you started.
It's a children's show, just like Uncle Please Sit.
Yeah.
Kids are waiting.
I don't know if he's been on your show. Must have been at
I-
some point.
No, I would
Yeah.
remember Abhi and then Chandani. It would have stayed in my head for years.
In school we had
My petty mind.
we had a boy called Sumit Hot Chandani.
Hot Chandan.
Yeah.
Hoth Chandani. I
नहीं
think.
नहीं hot चंदा नहीं था
But
यार
it's
वो.
spelled HOT in English is HOT. You're fair,
Okay,
fair.
I'm sorry. I never met this man, so he might have been okay.
Yeah.
Wow, bro.
Yeah.
Sumit, if you're watching,
You had so many problems before Twitter. Mallu guy, yeah? Mallu guy is laughing. Does your husband laugh at your jokes?
Bro,
Yeah.
No, I
why?
don't know.
Why else did I marry him?
Not on stage. I know on stage he's been supportive and helping your career. and all.
Otherwise also,
At home,
yeah.
does he laugh at your jokes?
Yeah.
Don't lie.
he's a
Yeah.
comedy promoter,
Yeah.
manager.
As a professional, but at home,
Yeah.
He
Why
had,
would
that he has to.
If he didn't find me funny, why would he marry me?
looks.
Stop, yaar. Sairu, yaar. Arre, yaar.
Wait,
Hey, send
so
me a
you'd
tweet,
rather
yeah.
be you'd rather be good looking than funny?
Huh?
You'd rather be good looking
No,
than
of
funny?
course not, but I'll take whatever I'm getting right now.
How do you manage with girls? You appear to have no technique.
That's true.
You ask stupid questions.
That's
like,
why
would
it
you
never-
rather be good-looking and funny?
it
I'm
never
thinking,
goes anywhere,
दो
ना।
लड़की कहाँ से आया?
इसलिए तो हर बार नहीं होती है ना क्योंकि
Oh,
पिछले वाले
she's saying no.
क्योंकि
Because-
पिछले वाले से कुछ होता ही नहीं है.
Listen.
हाँ.
Urjita, same movie, same husband.
Yeah,
Your
that's
movie
true.
and girl changes.
That's true.
All the time, boss. You're a super success. What do you say? So are we done?
Yeah.
Out of our system, we couldn't help him. with
None
the
of
Twitter.
us wanted to have this conversation. It
No,
was
we-
initiated
we-
by you.
We can't help it. I don't know the guys in the room or anyone listening or watching. X issue, I don't know how to because I don't
Yeah, I
understand
mean,
hacking and
if
all that.
anybody knows, please help
Also,
me
sometimes
out.
you hack yourself and then
No, I
you
didn't
say
hack
all this. So we
myself.
don't know just to get publicity. You know, it's like someone who claims insurance. Like our office burnt in the last place.
Office
Yeah.
burnt,
Yeah, we remember, yes.
Yeah, then some people say,
we
did you-
barely escaped.
Barely
yeah,
escaped,
Yeah,
you know, we lost two
Abbas
comedians.
still has marks from
No, we
that.
lost two comedians, Abhi and Chandani.
मेरे जैकेट पे एक्चुअली निशान अभी भी है उसके.
Yeah.
हाँ.
yeah.
What rubbish
And the
you were
scars-
कसम से,
putting in
हाँ.
there.
And the mental scars.
नहीं, the jacket was here. I was not
अच्छा,
here.
okay.
It was a Sunday.
The fire was on
He
Sunday.
struggled to come Monday to Friday. Sunday पे कैसे आएगा? This is not a man dedicated to his craft. Are you crazy or what? That's what we just
But
discussed.
I should mention, you have before we started rolling, you said the sound engineer for this show comes 1.5 hours late.
No, today-
I am so happy my tradition has been carried on
Bus.
by
He's still coming
someone.
from Andheri for those outside Mumbai. That's about, it's generally 40 minutes at least for him to come here.
But
on
it
a
was
Monday.
raining really hard today.
Yeah,
Yeah.
all that. You were walking from across the road to the studio and you never came on time.
Me?
Yeah.
I was coming from Baikala Baba in those days.
No.
Anyway, let's
Baikala
not.
was the early days. Then you were coming from Bandra when you were in love with a journalist. Okay? Because sab pata hai, I have all the forms here. I'll fill them up in triplicate and send it home.
That's true, yeah.
And then I remember talking with Amit, the entire, we had this whole conversation and this is science, ki whoever stays closer comes last, whoever stays further comes on time.
That's
It's
true.
there's
But that's true
madness about
everywhere.
This correlation. Yeah.
Ah.
So that's the irritating thing because everybody's waiting for the guy who's
I should
Abbas.
I was given 12:30 ka time. I was here at
Today you were
12:25.
time.
Today we started at 1 because your
yeah.
previous guest was late.
Yeah. No, previous guest was on time. The
Oh,
sound
sorry.
guy. Abhishek. That guy.
That guy was late.
The literally the guy whose name sort of means.
Are
playing-
Malayalis punctual usually?
I haven't met all of them yet.
I was resisting asking, does your husband come on time?
Oh, this is a pricey thing from a guy whose sperm is over.
Oh yeah,
You have just said ki
that's true. Yeah.
BMC has sent you a notice. You can't father children now.
Why will BMC send me a notice for that?
I don't know who will send notices in India anymore. I'm hoping it's them.
Okay.
Yeah, I won't speak highly of his credentials in front of you now, Abbas, because क्या पता Abbas इसको DM करे, hey, you can click on this link.
Oh, is it Abbas? Yeah. We don't know.
yeah.
We never know.
Yeah.
Hey, Abbas is setting himself up for this, no? कि boss now कुछ भी चलेगा. This is not me.
नहीं, Twitter पे it's not me. Instagram it's still me. And
Yeah.
what
How
else?
do-
Huh?
But Twitter, what if that guy is like better than you? Like he's become like
Probably, yeah,
Abbas
that's
रास्ते में
sensation.
Abbas
Yeah.
रास्ते में किसी लड़की को छेड़ेगा बोलेगा not me. I have been
मैं नहीं
hacked.
छेड़ता लड़की
give him a
वड़की को,
chance.
ठीक है?
Give him a chance.
The hacker.
Huh.
He has all the chance. He still has my.
Keep a low
Twitter.
profile. What if the following grows and
I
suddenly
can't
you
do
know,
anything.
you get invited to France or something? You know, because
Sure,
she's a
please,
real
hacker.
liberal.
What if the hacker is this like somebody who's very obsessed with you, which is why this person
Abhichandani.
knows you inside? अरे,
That's the only name we have. Only suspect is Abhichandani. Tushar.
Cyrus reminds me of those toddlers जिनको एक word अगर पता चल
हाँ,
गया
तो बस
तो
वही
वो
बोलते
हर
रहते हैं।
conversation में सब कुछ बात करें हे अभिचंदानी
Urjita Ben! Oh, Urjita Ben! I have only one name.
Yay!
I mean, you give me a
sex,
suspect.
sex, sex,
Give me a suspect.
Cyrus.
Give me one more suspect. He's only mentioned one name. There's no other name. And your toddler friend, he picked up the name.
Of course.
And so we have one suspect. Sorry, Mr. Abhichandani, I'm sure you've not done anything.
No, he does comedy.
Oh. Speaking of which, shall we start the show?
Oh, it's
I'm
not started
excited
yet.
by
Oh,
both the
25
guests.
minutes we've
No,
spent.
the introductions.
Oh,
ये अभी तक हम जूता चुराई की रस्म कर रहे थे क्या?
It's called warm up. It's called foreplay, but since you're out of gas. Yeah.
that's true, yeah.
And me
Mexico.
also, I'm
भाई
been out of gas
foreplay
for
इतना
some time.
लंबा चल रहा है तो क्या बात है?
लंबा की बात नहीं है यहाँ पे. This is a very normal show. Mexico has a real Batman hunting.
Did you just say Mexico?
That's how you pronounce
Mexico.
In Spanish, you say Mexico.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, orale.
This is the problem, Ursita, of you uneducated people who come on my show and say all kinds of bad
Yeah,
things.
Kerala has 100% literacy.
She's
Yeah?
not Kerala.
Well, half Keralite now she's by association.
Technically, okay,
Yeah.
chalo, theek hai. Shall we allow her? If you marry a Malu,
50% Z.
50%?
Yeah.
but it may be lower 50%, then it's not involving the brain. We don't know which part. Okay, your thoughts, please.
Mexico has a
Bas. Main cheese, do I focus on main cheese? Not just focusing on the side.
Mexico, I can't read because of Abbas's head.
Wow.
That's why I said, how can Abbas sit here? The screen is completely blocked.
Mexico has a real Batman hunting thieves at night and taping them to poles. You know, Andheri also has one.
Yeah.
What, really?
Not Andheri,
Andheri and
Jew.
poles.
Jew has a Batman.
So because I was going for the show and I saw on every pillar Batman ka wo logo lagaya hua and I was like, yo, a revolution is coming.
Urjita, you haven't understood.
What?
He's catching criminals and tying them up and calling the police and saying they're there for you. You are looking at logos. You're still in a third world country. This is the Avengers. This is Spanish Avengers.
But I'm saying this will come in Juhu also, I feel.
You
It
think?
Will, yeah, revolution will start in
let me
Juhu.
talk to the expert.
Can I say the Mexican name for this guy is Batman of Lagos de Moreno? That's what the article says.
That's your contribution.
Yeah.
But read it in our accent, no? Why are you reading it in their accent?
'Cause it's
they
Mexican,
read
no?
Indian,
Our
they
accent
read
is-
Hindi,
Urjita,
their
man,
accent.
this is not their accent. This is some other accent which doesn't exist. Don't you understand? Huh.
No, ऐसे what's the
Essay, correct.
Mexican dish? Taco.
Enchilada.
Taco.
Enchilada.
Yeah.
I watch
hombre.
Mexican wrestling, the lucha libre.
Yeah, very
so,
big.
Yeah, they also wear masks while fighting.
Fair.
But
I should not know who you are because they hack your Twitter and all that next.
This feels like an ADHD support group at
Yeah.
this point.
My worry is that nobody-
You take one topic and then you read one word and you're like, actually, iska idhar bhi ek connection ho
My
sakta
problem
hai.
is it won't work in Mumbai because all our polls have posters and all on it. There's no space for to put the catch the
उनके
criminal.
माथे पे बिंदी की जगह
Twitter coming soon. Shut your phone.
But I mean, I would say Bombay or India needs a Batman because
We
the
definitely-
official authorities are not really.
Batman won't be enough. There are too many criminals. We have to get more people in.
Batman.
Batman.
Yeah, Bat family.
Yeah.
Batman, I mean, actual Batman also has sidekicks, no?
Robin.
Robin, Nightwing, Batgirl.
Nightwing is Robin only, no?
Yeah, he then
Reinvented.
became
Yeah,
Nightwing.
yeah.
Batgirl is
You're
also
getting
there.
confused with Batman, which is a whole different series.
What does he do?
I can't tell you. The girl present.
So what?
Won't talk about that. Ah, you know now, huh? Pride of Random, you know what I'm talking about. Look at that guy. Yeah, that guy. Boss, what did you marry? Be very careful. You're talking to me about sex. What are you talking about, man?
I didn't marry the entire Trivandrum. I married one dude from there.
Yeah, fair.
One more detail.
Oh, how sweet. So interesting.
Photos shared on X, which I can't see because now
Oh,
my
you
account
can't
has
see.
been hacked.
What's your
uh,
personal vendetta of yours in all this?
You want to see my Twitter account?
Yeah.
Just
No,
so
no,
that
yeah.
Just-
No,
nostalgia
it's
missing-
can-
mentioned
missing
in
it.
the article. Some of the restrained men with mustaches and cat whiskers drawn on their faces. So he's doing this one additional thing. He's drawing. Why is Batman drawing cat
You know how they said
whiskers?
Hitler was like a failed artist and took
Yeah,
it out.
yeah, true,
Maybe this
yeah.
guy's real problem was that he couldn't get into art school, so he said, "मैं पकड़ के कुछ भी कर सकते हो उसके live object पे," and he's doing whatever. But I see a lot of good coming out of this. Except that we don't know if they're really criminals. What if he just catches the average Raju and says, "Chalo, boss, bank robber." It's done.
But they should find the richest man in Mexico, right? Because he must be the Batman. Because
Yeah.
Bruce Wayne was Batman.
Yeah,
the
they should
richest
find
man.
the richest man in
Gotham.
Mexico who controls everything now, who
His
also has
name-
a zoo and
His
everything.
name is Trump.
Just
Mexico.
Yeah,
Why is-
basically in charge of everything now.
He wants to send Mexicans back.
Yeah, he's just building a wall.
Latina.
Yeah.
Latinos.
When it's convenient, we'll bring them in also. Don't worry. This is a friend of ours.
Latin.
Maybe you anti-Trump speakers caused the trouble.
Why are you calling me anti-Trump?
No, because you anti-Trump stuff, this Twitter shit happened.
It was not anti-Trump. There was another leader. It was anti.
Let me guess. Let's go down the countries. Maximo Corner, I don't remember the name.
He was
And
against Mussolini, guys.
Mussolini,
That's all.
yeah,
Yeah.
Oh, he's dead now.
Yeah, that's dead.
Be okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
true.
Cool.
Yeah.
If you can remember who, tell us. Huh?
Okay. Yeah.
Meantime, let's see the next one.
Mirzapur.
The
Sorry,
movie.
sir. No, you read. Huh.
Mirzapur.
He has to read. Now he's covering it.
Brings back Munna Bhaiya for a prequel story on the big screen on 4th September. Did you see the trailer, Cyrus? Have you seen Mirzapur, the show?
No, but I've seen Mirzapur, the area.
I have never seen a franchise regretting killing of a character so much that they introduce a prequel
Yeah.
just to bring him back.
No, there have been other
Then there
examples.
will be
huh?
no stakes, right? Because you know all these characters are going to survive. Because
Yeah.
kuch hua to
No,
show
there'll be
thodi
new
hoga.
characters.
They're new
introduced.
characters.
Ravi
yeah,
Kishan
yeah.
is there.
No, I don't know what Ravi Kishan's character is, but I'm saying the new characters will
No,
have.
as in Ravi Kishan wasn't in the show. He's in the
No,
movie.
but there'll be a more powerful track there for them. no, the new characters.
Who played Munna Bhaiya?
Divyendu.
Acha, okay.
He's come on the show.
Oh really?
Yes,
I haven't seen Mirzapur, so I can't really
you
say
haven't
much.
seen
no.
Mirzapur? No, it's
But I've heard
nice,
it's like a
Late night when you go with your girlfriend and.
That is for movies. This was a show.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's true.
If he could,
But
he
this is a
would.
movie. If he could, he would. But this is a movie now.
This
so you
is a
can-
movie,
You'll
yeah,
go and
yeah,
see
yeah,
this one.
yeah.
So
वही तो
probably.
अब्बास कभी टीवी शो दिखाने लेके नहीं गया आई थिंक वो
टीवी शो
प्रॉब्लम
दिखाने में अपने घर पे बुलाता
दैट्स व्हाट
What a creep.
अरे
Turn on the creep.
well, where else can you watch a TV show?
But the way you said it, boss, it's like.
अरे
I'm now, in my mind, I'm imagining, hi, welcome.
have you not heard of Netflix
You
and
lock
chill?
the door when she enters.
Netflix and chill. It's a
Cyrus
whole
can't
thing.
understand the first time he got a girl to his house वो लोटा गिरा के अंदर आई थी
Don't
How do
say
you-
it
how
like
do you
that.
How do you know?
I know she told me
She's bluffing.
Is she a comic?
your wife
called
I'm
a-
talking about
Oh, my
when you
wife.
got married to her that's what
Oh,
I'm saying लोटा के oh yeah
Kalash,
Parsis में होता नहीं
it's
कलश
called,
yeah sorry not
no,
लोटा
you said
it's
Lota. I
Kalash.
was like, why is she going
Let me
there?
just Google
Sorry,
who my
sorry.
wife is. Fucking forget all this shit with age, yeah.
But I heard it's like a Wasipur ripoff, Mirzapur.
हाँ yeah
I don't. Have
I
you
mean,
also not seen the show?
I have seen
Oh, okay.
all the show you're saying. I mean, like if you show like a show in North
North
India,
India gangster.
about two gangs fighting amongst each other, people will call it a Wasipur ripoff anyway.
Or BJP Congress in the old days. Now there's no fight. Yeah.
No, I mean in interiors it's
Correct. It
Local-
translates
local
into
parties.
Mirza versus Vase.
it's not.
My Vase, your Mirza. Come on, show me. Panga.
It's I don't know, RJD versus BSP kind of thing. Not
Oh, nice.
BJP
You've gone
versus
very
Congress.
state specific.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow, for safety, is it? Okay. All right.
So yeah, excited for Mirzapur
I'm
movie?
I can't wait for September 3rd. Then it'll only be 24 hours.
because the team might come on your show to promote it. Pankaj Tripathi.
But if they don't, then
Then I'll go to X. There's a friend of mine who's always welcoming.
right, true.
Shall we move to the next one?
Yeah.
Next one.
बस इतना ही बात करना
नहीं,
है
तो
मिर्जापुर
बात
पे।
करना है तो please-
नहीं मेरे को कुछ नहीं because I have not seen
You're
the show.
asking me about excited about the thing and also I thought you lost interest.
We're on World Cup, so I think you should take over.
Paraguay creates, knocks out Germany. I was very little sad about this, but the thing about FIFA World Cup is now they're in the knockout round, so anything can happen. And the smaller teams,
Bigger
Paraguay's
teams,
smaller
yeah,
team.
bigger teams have been
Small,
knocked out,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, yeah. Well, one or two. Germany and Holland, as far as I remember. I don't watch. My son watches it and he
You don't
tells
watch
me.
the football,
It's at 1:30, 3:30, 6:30.
but you're a passionate sports lover, yeah?
No, but I can't even watch cricket in the night now.
Really?
No, I can't. I watch England timings up to 10, 10:30 test match, and that's it. Everything else doesn't suit me, bro. I have worked very hard. I'm at Mirzapur factory every day. You know, and then I do so much charity also.
But if you were to hedge your bets on who's winning, who
It's
would
a
you
tough
say?
one to say. My son saying this between Spain, England, and France. Those are three big
Oh, really?
teams.
England has a
He doesn't
chance.
believe the smaller teams can reach the semis.
what about Mumbai FC?
Mumbai FC will win next time.
I support Sunil Chhetri. I don't know about the others.
Who?
Sunil Chhetri.
Sunil Chhetri, the footballer.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
heard Sunil Shetty,
But the
no?
thing is that we lost to Uzbekistan.
Nobody's supporting Sunil Shetty
Yeah, I know. That's why I
anymore.
got scared for a second.
Everybody's hiding their
But is that
granddaughters
like,
from
is
him
that
now.
like AI?
No,
It's real, no?
It's real.
But he's a really
He
nice
might
guy.
claim-
He doesn't talk like that.
Sunil Shetty's interview.
Yeah.
Ah, it's
No, that
real,
reel,
yeah.
yaar.
I know.
The one that you sent me before you got hacked.
He's talking to Navika. She's also in disbelief. Like, अरे इतना नहीं करना sir.
Yeah. The worst part is he started his sentence with "आप मानेंगे नहीं," and I'm like, correct, नहीं मानूंगी. You were right about it. Yeah.
But I didn't.
would you ever
I've never
say-
seen this like
but
this
would,
kind of.
But would you ever say something like that if you were getting paid like 3 crores that you have
Oh,
to
I would
claim?
say for
Much less.
much
Yeah,
less.
exactly.
There's no principles involved for money, yaar. Don't be ridiculous, yaar.
But then you have to say कि मेरी बेटी की बेटी मेरी परपोती 10 महीने की उसकी पूजा
Well, I'll
करती है.
pronounce it badly, but other than that, yes, it'll be done. Yeah.
Anyway, back to Sunil
Oh,
Chhetri.
why you don't want to talk about this? Feeling uncomfortable?
There is one more news piece which
Abbas is like, I'm gonna hack all your accounts now.
Abbas is thinking, ये तो minority का minority.
But then you will lose all the respect you have earned over the years
I got
after
no
saying
respect.
that.
I got
Acha,
no
okay,
respect.
that's also
What are
fair.
you talking about?
Yeah,
Where
that's
is
the thing,
but
right?
he will
If
get more
somebody,
work, no? So that's all that
What
matters.
work? What respect? I got nothing.
That's what I'm saying.
I got
yeah,
I got
actually,
boils.
this won't work on somebody like Cyrus because he
Yeah.
can always turn around and say, I was joking.
That's the show's called that.
Yeah.
Just
No,
joking.
see, I mean, I mean this in all
respect.
fairness and respect.
Yeah, yeah.
Cyrus is a kind of Cyrus plays to the audience, so the kind of audience that's in front of him, he'll play up to their.
I'm a politician.
Like-
It's called marketing. Who is the audience? You talk to them correctly. So BJP crowd, you're
Yeah, so if I
pro-BJP.
were to put him in a
Congress crowd.
BJP rally, he'll make
Yeah.
them happy.
Like
Put
I
them in a
met
Congress rally,
Putin,
he'll
I
make
hugged
them
him and said, Ukraine, I'm not interested. Immediately. Is that-
Exactly. Then when you met the Ukrainian,
No, he didn't come. He was
because
feeling upset.
he's a good comedian.
We don't like each other.
Zelensky.
Okay, so Paraguay.
Cyrus, you remember I used to do a Russian.
Yeah, do the Russian. do the Russian. There's a good Russian impression. Do.
What do you want to
No,
talk
no, no,
about?
Read this out in Russian.
Yeah, Paraguay create history, knock out Germany losers from FIFA World Cup. You know who they don't kick out?
Who?
Russia.
ये
Russia didn't make the World Cup.
ये कंट्री साइड थोड़ा ज्यादा लग रहा है.
I
They
feel
kick us out. We
Southern
Mirzapur में waste हो जाएगा. But anyway, we'll keep it. The Russians are there. Yeah, the Russians.
How's your side chick, Svetlana?
She's my aunt. So don't make these jokes.
You knock her up?
By mistake. In India, these things happen. See, Vasipur has more of that.
You should have vodka. It keep.
And then banger.
Dare you speak like that on this lovely vegetarian show?
I gave my best Marathi version of
Urjita,
Russian
she'll have to have
accent.
the vodka, no? If she's going to be forced to have
That's
true.
Yeah, come on, bro.
That's true.
Use your head.
Yeah.
That's
He's just
that's
coughing and laughing throughout these last 2 episodes. There's
the
something
best
wrong with
combination of coughing and laughing.
that. Yeah, it's called a cough. It's like, yeah.
Oh, nice.
There is a word for that also.
Yeah, kids do it. Young babies, they do it. They cough and laugh at the same time. They fart and laugh at the same time. All that.
Yeah.
Are you doing both? All right.
Do we take a break?
Hi! 36 minutes? Okay, take a what the hell's wrong with you people?
I don't know. I'm just having.
Yeah.
Time
I think
flies
Cyrus,
when you're
you're
having
just too
fun.
happy to see us.
Yeah,
I think that's what
36
it
minutes
is.
kahan se gaya?
I don't know, but
You
that's what I'm saying.
You
Time-
hardly spoken.
time
One Twitter
flies.
for 20 minutes he spoke. That's it. Chalo, we'll take a break. We'll come back. I mean, I know we'll come back. There's enough.
Which was that match where you literally flew into the stumps?
What do you mean, which was that match? It was the match, the only game that launched my career.
There are two main arms of the Indian system. In military, we have the infantry and cavalry and all of those things.
Did you say cavalry?
I did.
How old are you?
Well, not as old as you are. Lots to come on
Yeah.
Jaunty on the Dock Season 1.
Can't wait. And please, don't change the shirt.
No, I'm not going to.
Okay, that's great.
I promise. For the entire series,
Sounds-
I'm going to wear the
Same.
same shirt.
Come back with these great philosophers. Ujita, and he's kept his phone on the table. You didn't say
Because
anything.
I have to read from the. I didn't bring my
But
iPad
you
today.
can read from here.
But there's some details like the Batman thing. I couldn't tell you to draw.
You've taken this
whiskers.
seriously after so many years.
Yeah, I always took it seriously, Cyrus.
Acha,
You
you-
never saw my
Your passion.
effort.
Your Jos Januns.
My jununs.
Yeah, show the Jos Januns of the next one.
Jununs. Your junun sounds like
I
a
know.
slang for somebody's.
Yeah,
voice.
well, you're Russian, my Russian.
A Gujarat High Court virtual hearing went viral after a lawyer was allegedly overheard saying that his father was in surgery and that the judge can pass any order and it can always be changed by the Supreme Court.
Wow.
So the first part I find pretty serious that this guy's in a hearing while his dad is going through a surgery. But then if you watch the
But
video,
what is the surgery? Like if it's just liposuction,
I don't know.
fat reduction.
But the second part, it is like let the judge pass whatever, we'll get it changed in the Supreme Court. Is that what is
That's a little
implied?
arrogant, but it's not an impossible thing that happens.
Yeah.
But it's a very Guju video if you watch it.
I don't know about that, but the appellate system is there. So if he said it, his language is a little arrogant, but otherwise the same point is there.
Okay.
That if we always have a chance in the Supreme Court, then it would sound better. But
Is
this-
our judiciary compromised?
no.
Okay.
Ultimately, that is the good part of the judiciary. We have an appellate system. So you lose in court 1, you go to court 2, from court
Yeah,
2
I
to court
forgot
3.
you have a
But how does
law
a
background.
liposuction surgery go? Actually, you might know.
In my village, we take the guy's stomach and we pull. Chacha, theek hai? Then we can't pull it.
And what about Botox? Have you ever considered getting a Botox?
But why? I'm a little underweight now. I want to be about 5 pounds heavier. Where will I take out the weight? Show me.
You're 55, right?
85 kilos.
55. Array, age.
Let me correct you there, young man. Let me take this opportunity to correct you on your
Yes.
failed information.
Yeah.
I'm not 55.
You're not 55?
I'm 54.
Oh, okay. You look good for 54.
So in the words,
Where would he get Botox?
in the words of Salim Javed, fuck up.
ऐसे नहीं Salim Javed साहब be like
No. I want him on the show. I don't want you. You
He's
do Russian.
been on the show.
I know. And he's
You
sporting.
interviewed him
Please,
live.
Don't piss off the few
देखिए
people.
ऐसा है
No. I'm not accepting it. I'm not accepting it.
Cyrus साहब
Go back to Gujarat.
I was like, where would on your body would you get Botox if you had to?
I don't know.
Maybe
Double
like
chin.
filler,
Yeah.
filler. But you don't
You-
need
I
any.
have
You
way
have.
doubler
yeah.
We
chin.
can't tell you have a beard, no, Baba.
I'm thinking of shaving it off.
No. You look
No?
very funny.
Today
I'm
I was
not-
in two minds.
I'm not comfortable with him without a beard. What do you think?
When I started, I didn't have a
No,
beard.
you didn't. But
Yeah.
now we've seen you with this
That's
scrubby look
true.
all the
Yeah,
time. And
yeah,
suddenly you
Yeah.
become clean. And
Abbas can experiment though. Yeah.
Yeah.
You shave your back, na? So much hair there.
You can shave and come here as a different person and then
Just
start
change your
another
accent.
show.
You do a Russian accent. We'll call you Igor, and we'll just carry on from
Yeah.
there.
Should I do a Malayali accent?
Let's go. Let's hear your Malayali accent.
No, it's not good.
No,
Now I'm feeling
no. Forget
She
about
lives with
Abhishek.
a Malayali and there is one
Abhishek
other
himself doesn't have a
Malayali.
Malayali accent, so she'll know better.
So what should I say?
Say, I would like to spend my life with you. What would you say at home when you all meet?
no,
We said that already.
no, it's not coming here.
What?
Yeah.
Abbas, don't be conscious. Don't be. It's okay.
Don't be
Go
conscious.
for it.
You
Go
did
for
the
it.
Russian so well.
I want to spend my.
I do want to apologize to all sections of society, including
See,
Russians.
like I will.
We're just joking around.
I will repeat the one thing I said before.
Say.
One South Indian friend gave me this trick. If you want to recognize a Malayali, when the teacher is taking attendance, whoever says present sir instead of present sir is a Malayali.
Okay.
Present. Yeah.
Can you just say the
Symbol. They say symbol also.
Symbol.
Symbol for simple.
Oh yeah, in
Yeah.
Bangalore.
See, I'll tell
I
you
hope
what,
I'm not.
Take like a Baba Black Sheep, any like poetry,
No,
and then
so-
do your accent.
So in a Bangalore radio station, there used to be this character called Appukutu Nayar uncle. Appukutu Nayar uncle. So he used to give film reviews in this very hard, thick Malayali. But speaking of films, can I just say I've seen some really great Malayalam films of late.
Now, having almost insulted the whole community, now you want
I'm
to...
not insulting. I love Malayalis.
No, it's too late.
Malayalam films are the best films coming out of India, right?
Okay.
I agree. Yeah. Yes.
Your husband's making one, no?
No, he's not.
He's
should
making,
come
he's
in one
making
time,
a Malayalam language, Hindi language, mixed
Baba,
film,
he's a
dual
heavy
language.
metal guitarist.
Correct. And his film is going to be called Nanga Naujawan. And I'm dying to see this film. Bro,
Why would a Malayalam film be called Nanga Naujawan?
because you see, you all got a dirty
Yeah,
mind.
it'll be called
You got a very
Nanga
dirty mind. You
Naujawan.
both have dirty mind. No, it's nothing like that. It's about how this young guy doesn't have anything in life. And he's almost crippled with nothing. And hence, this is what y'all are thinking, I don't
You
know.
want to star in the film or what? I
I'm
think
already looking at playing
you
the
need to.
I'm playing the
Yeah. It's like Cyrus needs reasons to just strip all his clothes. It's like Nanga Naujawan.
But it's, the second
Coming
part,
soon, coming
the,
soon.
The second word is a problem, Cyrus. You're not a Naujawan anymore. You just said you are 54.
Wow, that's the problem you have with me.
The Nanga is not the problem.
You ageist you.
Yeah.
It's not about that.
Yeah.
It's a metaphor for the fact that he's stripped of everything.
Oh.
It's a very Mallu kind of thing. It's a very intelligent film.
Anyway, Ati
We are
Raji.
already looking at. I'm in talks with Mohanlal's crew and all that. I
Really?
don't know. I'm not taking names, but Mammootty called. I don't know.
Are, can I? Oh,
say.
No,
We'll
3
go back
films.
to it.
Ati Radhi, which is streaming on Sony Live right now. Mollywood Times, which will be on Amazon Prime very soon. And yesterday I saw a film called Balan.
Mollywood Times will
Balan,
be
yeah,
about
yeah.
the industry.
Huh?
So that might be that kind of story.
Mollywood Times, yeah, it's
It's
about
about the industry
filmmaking.
and-
It's
Hey,
about the
Balan, where
Malayalam.
did you watch? Show
there's a-
timings was भयंकर वगैरह दिखा
I
रहा
know,
था.
dude. So it'll probably go out by
Don't call her
tomorrow.
dude.
But there's a Andheri mein is 10:15 show.
Today is
Today.
there?
You all go together. I'll tell you.
I already saw it
I'll tell your
yesterday.
husband you're working.
Her husband can go with her. No, he'll translate for her.
Yeah.
Why? There's a subtitle.
There are subtitles, yes,
Yeah.
but still,
बात नहीं है क्या?
like the nuances. Yeah.
Really? What do you want to
But
throughout,
anyway, yeah.
throughout he's giving running commentary. I mean, I'd strangle my spouse.
But yeah, these three films are very funny,
Okay.
very good,
We
very
have,
nicely
we
made.
have less time because you all talk too much. We have got
No,
to
but
finish.
this is the main.
Oh, Thief. I know. I read this.
Thief wears PM Modi's mask, steals 40 smartphones worth 75 lakh from shop in Rajasthan, and nobody stops him because of the said mask.
So it was a gang which looted the place.
But you know, it's been done in America. They used to wear those
Trump
president,
masks, yeah,
president,
yeah.
not just Trump, old
Clinton,
Reagan, Reagan, all that,
yeah.
Yeah.
But only one of the guys was wearing a Modi mask.
Others were wearing what?
Just like covering their faces with like how you cover your face.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're saying that he's a bhakt?
I'm saying this person must be the leader of the gang.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm
I like-
assuming.
I like the way you
I'm
put
assuming.
that. You're walking on broken glass here, so be very careful.
देखो,
where your
Twitter
foot
तो
goes.
hack हो ही
हाँ, वो तो
चुका
हो
है,
गया,
yeah.
वो तो हो गया.
Yeah.
Now your only last recourse is to stay in Kerala and watch your films. Okay, because I don't know how to give you protection in Maharashtra, Prabha. I can't.
All I would say is I can't wait for Shekhar Suman's take on this.
Oh.
Just to see what the politicians are okay with and what they are not.
I saw some show, food show he did. I can't remember with who, where he was doing his workout.
अच्छा.
I think Shekhar Suman, and I need to talk to him about his workout. It's not very
Not good according to you.
But have you seen the show though?
I've
He's
seen it.
blasting all the
I've seen it.
politicians left, right, and
Yeah,
center.
but he does a
yeah.
Kunal Vijay laugh track, which is so irritating.
Still, I thought he had a live audience.
Yeah, it's a laugh track live audience because it seems to be shot without a live audience.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a live audience with the machine
laughter
in the
track,
hands. Yeah.
Which is a good technique because it's slightly different, but after some time you can pick it up.
Yeah.
Like we don't have an audience at all.
That's true. What were you saying? Three
Yeah.
people
Yeah.
in the.
And no one's going to clap. Hands are occupied with various things.
Even if they're laughing, you can't hear them in the video.
Correct. What is that? You tell us about this because I think you're neutral spokesperson. He's a little under tension here.
As I said, I would wait for Shekhar Suman's take on this.
A wiser comedian will give
yeah,
you.
Let's assume what joke he would make. Like if you were on the writing team of Shekhar's monologue, what's the joke you would write, Vijita?
Then I would ask him कि सर आपका assets में कितना पैसा है उसके हिसाब से आप
I
joke
would
बनाओ.
also think that it makes more sense to wear the mask in a non-BJP state. Because here, you don't need any...
See, I think the
Actually,
mask could have been anything. The mask could have been anything, but he chose this mask. Why do you think that is the case?
Maybe more readily available.
That's actually the correct answer.
I mean, looking for Batman.
Yeah,
तो Batman
yeah.
नहीं मिलेगा. Looking for
Yeah,
Superman नहीं मिलेगा.
yeah.
तो क्या है? Sir, प्रधानमंत्री का है. Oh,
Yeah.
okay, चलो, whatever.
Yeah.
चलिए कम से कम हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि जो स्मार्टफोन्स थे they were made in India.
Well, they were smuggled into Rajasthan, so could be from Pakistan.
Fine,
I'm
so that you said it,
just
yeah.
saying.
नहीं, you
No,
keep
then
बाहर-
it'll be covered in Dhurandhar 4.
Yeah.
If that was
और
the-
बाहर के स्मार्टफोन होते तो फिर उसको चोर
Dhurandhar
को
4 is
टैरिफ दे
going
के
away.
लेना पड़ता है ना
Dhurandhar
वो.
4, India beats Pakistan in football World Cup. It's a fully different script.
That's true.
I've been working.
But did you see this one video? Some कोई तो tier 2 city में कोई तो interview हो रहा था. ऐसे मतलब ऐसे reporter was asking like a normal person कि like क्या आपको देश के हालत जो है क्या लग रहा है? She's like कि नहीं सब सही था, demonetization सही था, आपने धुरंधर देखी नहीं
उत्तर
क्या?
प्रदेश में सब कुछ ठीक,
And
आपने देखी नहीं धुरंधर?
I thought this woman was being very ironic, but no, she was being very real. She's like yeah, धुरंधर सब सही है देश में. So वो interviewer वो reporter पूछे जा रही थी कि युवा नीट का पेपर लीक हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, युवा का जॉब नहीं मिल रही है, सब सड़क पे
So
आ
was she being
गए.
sarcastic back?
No, she was being
very genuine.
Yeah, she's like सब सही है, सब सही है.
Clearly
आपके
not
घर
an
में सब
engineer.
सही है ना? Yeah.
Clearly no empathy for all that. I mean, married young, one of those. You married young?
Huh?
You married
Yeah,
young?
she's
No,
damn young,
20.
Baba.
Very young. Yeah.
I was 27 when I
She's
got married.
27 is
10
not young.
years younger to me. So last year she got married.
Now you're saying her
27
age.
is young,
Now
Baba.
you're saying her age. You should
नहीं
never
बताना
do
क्या?
this.
Sorry.
Your Twitter's gone forever.
She's 18 years old, guys.
Second
No, I
marriage.
tell everyone I'm 60, so that
But
they
you're
think I
young.
have a great
Luckily,
routine.
you're young looking, so you can pull it off for some time. Now, in
Young
the
look,
case
I-
of Abbas and me, are we done?
Yeah, I had a joke in mind.
More?
See.
Say it.
Nahi,
Why are
chala
you
gaya.
waiting?
No, I was asking, you saw that meme that now that the passport is not a proof of citizenship, the only proof of citizenship left is the ticket stub of Durandar. To say that you're
yeah.
an Indian citizen.
Yeah.
But is it Durandar 2 or 1?
Two.
Two.
No, you
Both you have
need,
to see.
both. You need
Yeah, you
both.
need
Yeah.
No, I'm saying if you just see 2, are you still a citizen? Or you,
आधा देखा है तो मतलब एक पेरेंट पाकिस्तानी.
but then they're not a citizen.
Yeah, exactly.
First half तक देखा
Don't
तो
go straight to
Pakistan.
Pakistan. I'm saying एक parent अंग्रेज है or something. You know, because
Yeah.
it's like acceptable, but whatever.
If you after the movie, if you googled Hamza's conditioner instead of demonetization.
Bro, did you see that? So Vishal Dadlani came on that Mashable wala drive around wala.
Yeah,
thing.
yeah,
yeah.
So then they get into some argument about which is Rahman's favorite best track. Okay. So then Vishal Dadlani is like, चल रास्ते पे पूछते हैं लोगों से कि कौन सा best है. He catches one guy, Vishal Dadlani. He's like, tell me Rahman's best song. So this guy's like, Rahman? And like, Rahman. A.R. Rahman. And this guy's like, oh, A.R. Rahman. मैं सोचा रहमान डक है.
Wow! Oh my god!
So everybody in the comments is like the average Durandar watcher.
But this is the problem with the 2026 stuff.
Yeah,
People can't retain
exactly.
anything for more than
Yeah.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, Rahman, what more can he do in life? Yeah? You still don't remember him from yesterday. So sad. Yeah, very sad. Why
So
are you laughing?
Rahman Dakat, oh my god. That is the state of the country right now.
Saras, what's this?
But I
thing?
enjoyed the film. Okay, sorry. Okay.
No, that's okay. Most of the country enjoyed the film.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, we are in the middle of something here.
Yeah, what is Cyrus live?
No, this is not done.
But Dhurandhar 2 didn't get utna coverage as far as I remember.
What are you saying?
Dhurandhar 2, especially
Because
after it
Durandar
hit
2
the
was
OTT.
like
Yeah.
blatant.
Yeah, everybody, even the most right-winger fathers were like, ये ज्यादा हो रहा है.
It was
कितना?
like
Have you seen
Navika
those-
and Sunil Shetty.
Yeah.
अरे इतना भी नहीं करना था.
Yeah.
I think it was like Arnab's story.
That is his story every night.
Got home loan approved after telling I'm working with SRK, Shreyas Talpady. This is that Farah show.
Hey, I have a
Farah
thought.
come on our show, na?
Yeah.
We'll send a car.
I have a thought on this. So, all these celebrities who speak very highly of Shah Rukh Khan, every time they come up with a new story in which Shah Rukh Khan was very nice to them. So, don't you think that puts a lot of pressure on Shah Rukh to be nice to
just
the
be
next
nice.
person?
I think poor
like,
Shah
I'll
Rukh-
tell you, Ritesh Deshmukh, in an interview, he said that Shah Rukh Khan हर एक गेस्ट को नीचे तक छोड़ के बाय बाय बोलने आ रहा था whenever the guest wanted to leave. So
Oh, I
I'm
thought like
if-
Lash,
No.
like till death.
No. So like my thing is if Shah Rukh Khan now he has to do that with everybody.
Yeah,
Imagine you go to his party and he doesn't drop you
He's
to your
tired.
car.
He's tired.
Yeah.
He can't say bye.
Yeah.
God.
Imagine he's
point.
sick, he's in bed. You have gone to see him, but
Yeah.
then he's like, actually, I guess I need to drop you to your car. Isn't that too much?
Yeah, but this I have heard from Kapil Sharma also said this.
But you're not
Yeah.
understanding the problem here. It's not about Shah Rukh and Shreyas. It's a problem is that why did he take a loan?
Because you had to buy a house.
Then he wasn't rich.
He was doing so well. Om Shanti Om is 2004.
Yeah, but he,
2009, 8, 2008,
Four.
7.
You can't keep changing it.
7, it is 2007.
Google it, 2004.
It is
2007,
2007, Baba.
2007,
So in the interview, he tells...
It's 2005. Let's compromise.
yeah, it started in 2005. Technically,
Correct.
it must have begun in 2005.
So in the interview, he says that Iqbal had just become successful,
Yeah.
but he still wasn't eligible for a home loan because the bank asked कि आप अगली चीज क्या कर रहे हो?
Wow.
Because apparently you have to
freelancers have to show a
so
lot
it's like
of
Om Shanti
documents.
Om, Om Shanti Om क्या है? कौन है? Like Shah Rukh Khan है.
What Indian
और
doesn't know
Farah
what
Khan.
Om Shanti
अरे
Om
but it
is?
wasn't made
And
by
my-
by
Not the
film.
then.
And my problem with that entire thing
Give
was
me back your citizenship.
Shreyas pretended that he only had a career in Hindi cinema. The countless movies that he
Marathi,
did
yeah,
in
no.
Marathi,
And
he
I was saying he was
forgot.
producing
Yeah.
also
Those
by
must
then.
be making like 1/10 of the money
No.
that
When they're
Hindi
successful,
films
they
do.
make good money, boss. Don't fool
Itna-
yourself.
yaar,
And by the
itna-
way, you get 30% funding from Maharashtra state and all that. There's a lot of good stuff coming out of that. And he's had, as a production team, which has done well, no? Over the years, all that money.
But घर लेना कितना करोड़ों
Audit
का
karo Shreyas Talpade ko.
And also-
I want to know facts.
And also Shreyas must not be buying like a 1 BHK. No,
Yeah.
थोड़ा
For
बड़ा
the
घर
house
ही.
in that show,
No, I didn't see that.
his house is like, it's the size of Lokhandwala.
हाँ क्या?
It's huge.
Has she come to your house?
Farah?
हाँ.
Only for
Like to shoot,
for
no?
a job interview, but I said, boss, देखो अभी we have people. Farah, please come.
And now you're asking her to come on.
Parsi, Baba. Parsi is like humor. Chalo, next.
Last thing. Again PM Modi.
Okay, calm down. Breathe. Haath pakad. Breathe with me. 1, 2. Now.
He got an award in Seychelles.
Yeah.
But apparently, the certificate that he got had spelling mistakes, including the word Seychelles itself. This led to questions about how the document was made and whether the AI was used.
Or whether there was really a Seychelles.
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 on the
Seychelles.
seashore.
Yeah.
No, but this mistake has been happening in a lot of places because a lot of these things are now being relegated
I don't
to
know about
AI.
your prime minister, but our president,
Ah.
Mr. Donald Trump, for me, he got the FIFA Peace Prize,
Yeah.
which there is no Peace Prize. They
Right.
gave it to him as a special
Yeah.
thing before the America World Cup. And then a few days later, he invaded Iran. So, I just want to tell you, before you give an award...
he waited for to
Yeah,
get
but
the
before you
Peace
give an
Prize.
award, just think about what you're doing.
But
That's
this
all.
reeks of one night before someone कुछ देना चाहिए क्या हम
Yeah.
इधर आ
Not
रहे
one
हैं.
night. I think they're writing it, when we used to swimming competition, writing it on the spot and giving the certificate. It's like that.
It must have been one of those things. Award देना.
Nah.
कौन सा award?
Yeah,
Oh
yeah,
shit.
yeah. But what was the mistake though? I want to know.
The Seychelles name also.
Seychelles itself.
No,
I
they are-
thought there was.
no one has the guts
What
to
is
say
the
what is the...
correct spelling of Seychelles?
I'm the pop of
I don't know,
Seychelles.
because here both the Seychelles are same only.
Arey Baba, what is wrong with you?
What?
We don't know what. We haven't seen the award.
Arey, I have seen.
They must have written Sheikh Chili.
Dhruv Rathi has made a video about
Yeah,
this.
yeah, he's a big fan.
The name Seychelles is like spelling India as INIDA.
Yeah.
So it's like that.
Yeah.
So, but I'm wondering now what is the correct spelling of Seychelles?
I'll give it to you in 5 minutes.
This is the correct spelling.
Yeah.
Seychelles.
So then why is like what is the spelling mistake?
Baba,
there?
no, listen. Seychelles in Urdu, we say...
देखिए सारा साहब
No! I said no! I draw the line. These are my friends.
आप उर्दू की
My
बात-
friends!
The line has already been drawn, by the way.
You make fun of all the powerful people if you have the guts.
concerned about offending Javed Akhtar than Farah Khan.
Oh, then
No.
Modi.
Then Modi ji.
I want these people on the show. They're nice. They've been nice to me all my life.
Javed
Don't be
sahab,
mean.
please come
Modi,
on
you
Cyrus
don't
Hill
want
show.
on the show.
I don't mind, but what will we talk about? I'm happy.
Cyrus will be
I'm
like,
happy with the economy.
मेरी पोती को मैंने आपका फोटो दिखाया.
Guys, he's also a friend. Can we?
Ooh.
I'm giving you a
Achha,
list of
Sunil
people. Leave
Shetty.
them all alone.
I was
now.
like, Modi ji
They're all
is your
soft
friend.
targets. Yeah, he's a friend.
Prakash Javadekar is your friend. I know.
They're all friends.
Yeah, I know. You are very diplomatic.
PM says Mitra all the time.
That's true.
So we are friends. Okay. Okay, let's go to the expert thing now. We're done? Okay.
Well, I have no idea about this
Achha,
segment.
so it's
What is
called
this?
Cyrus Lies.
Okay.
It,
Two truths
That
and
is,
one lies
isn't
like
that the
or what?
entire show?
correct. No, but in this is a test because you're a cinephile. So now
Okay.
we'll ask you
Oh.
something.
Oh yeah, finally some movies.
And you correct-
बस इतना clip डाल दो.
It's-
So the hesitation
it's-
well
sun,
back.
sun. It's a lie, sort of lie. So you have to
Okay.
correct it. Huh? It's not it's not a blatant lie.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ठीक है. Ready, boys? What is he saying here? Why are you getting excited? Okay,
मेरे
first one.
ससुराल वालों को कुछ बोलो मत.
Sorry. Where are you in Kerala? Which
Kerala.
part?
Trichur.
Are you anywhere close?
No.
Fuck off, yaar. He's not part of the. Where are you all from?
Huh?
Your husband?
Nerungunam.
So which part of Kerala?
I don't know.
He's making a face at Nerungudam. Not a good area.
Nerung-
North,
Nerungunam.
south,
I think
towards
I
Calicut,
think-
towards
because
Trivandrum.
I've never been to Nedungunam. I've only been to Trivandrum where they stay
बोल भी
right
नहीं
now.
पा रही हो.
Oh. You've not been to the ancestral
Nedungunam.
place.
Nedungunam.
But you've not been to where the Jagir is or where the Zameen is.
नहीं वो अब तक नहीं.
Nedungudam.
Does he have the will he inherit it?
Okay,
or-
Cyrus, let's move on.
Who gets the Zameen? So Kerala has lots of land, bro. So the land will be a big fight later. You discuss this.
I earn my own money. I don't need it. So
No, but they'll say what is she's Marathi, she's not Malayali. and
वो
all that.
conversation हो गया होगा अब तक.
that's
Are you
okay.
getting the land?
Why do I don't want it.
Otherwise, this
So-
Mollywood Weekly film that's being made.
Hollywood Times.
Mollywood Times, we can change it. Oh. She's saying, I don't want it now. See, 10 years from now. Okay, Lagan was India's first Oscar nominated film. What is this?
False.
Okay, and then if it's not, what is the answer?
It was Mother India.
Absolutely. Super boss. No, damn good. He's won the first round. She's
Yeah.
busy looking at land in Trivandrum. So, okay, so Mother India, second one? if you remember. It's got the name.
Salam Bombay.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Very good.
यार इतना ट्रिविया नहीं पता मुझे.
Urjita, you suck.
I wasn't born then. In my defense.
Neither was I and Mother India.
Mother India was like,
No,
come
he
on.
was there 1960s. He was
Okay,
born.
next. Hrithik Roshan worked as an assistant director. So now you have to hit the buzzer, huh?
Okay.
Which you don't have, but you hit it anyway.
Okay.
Hrithik worked as an assistant director on Sholay and Nagin before making his debut.
False. He worked on Karan Arjun.
Yes, and
And I don't know the
with
other one.
Kaur.
King Uncle.
No, but
with Ka only.
Yeah.
That was Rakesh
Roshan.
Roshan all
Koila. Koila.
One all, guys. We got a thriller. Stay tuned. We got a thriller. Bhool Bhulaiya is a remake of the Tamil film Chandramukhi. Is it?
Yes.
You say yes?
No. Manichitra Thazu.
Tamil film? Wow. Tamil film Chandramukhi is correct.
No, it's
but
a
it's
Malayalam
original
film.
film.
Chandramukhi was a remake of
Manichitra Thazu. So Bhool
yeah.
Bhulaiya, the original
So you
film is
said-
Manichitra
No,
Thazu.
One second.
She said it correctly.
You said wrong. Question was framed wrongly.
Abbas sucks.
You said Bhool Bhulaiya is a remake of Chandramukhi, the Tamil film, which is correct.
No.
Because the Chandramukhi was Rajinikanth.
It's a one generation removed answer.
And
so,
the Malayalam film was a straight up horror
I'm
film.
sorry.
Chandramukhi is the one
You
which
can
brought
appeal.
in comedy.
You can appeal in the appellate system. Appeal somewhere else.
No.
But
This is
she's
cheating.
spot
Aapne
on
cheating
because
kiya.
she went
Mani-
straight to the genesis
Yeah.
and the source,
But
which is the
Bhool
Malayalam
Bhulaiya
film.
is a
Mani-
remake of Chandramukhi.
Okay.
Yes,
Manichitra
but you don't get it.
Manichitra
She
Thad
gets
or
it
Thazu?
because the
Thadam.
original is a transitive property from the original
But
to
Bhool
number
Bhulaiya
3.
is not the remake of the Malayalam film. The Malayalam film is
No,
a
the
straight up
original
horror
film.
film.
But if B is a remake of A, then C is
Yeah.
a remake of
By
A,
By
transitive
the,
property.
it's not, the law of
Disqualified.
transitivity can't be applied
Bhool
here.
Bhulaiya
2-1.
is a remake of the Tamil film Chandramukhi.
Silence,
which
please.
is
Silence,
correct.
please. Abbas
Yeah.
to serve. Silence,
Okay,
please.
next
whatever,
question.
cheating.
A.R. Rahman made his Bollywood debut with Bombay.
Incorrect. Roja.
Correct.
Shit. Yeah.
Okay. But it's still can go either way. Rajkumar Hirani originally wrote Munna Bhai MBBS with Amir Khan in mind.
False. The Shah Rukh Khan.
Incorrect.
Yes.
Yeah.
You say incorrect is not incorrect is क्या होगा? Give me the fucking answer.
You want me to
Incorrect.
directly
She's
name the answer?
She's mentioned the
Okay,
spot
fine.
boy. She's mentioned the lighting. You're still on incorrect. Kareena Kapoor shot a song for Kaho Na Pyar Hai before leaving the film.
True.
Is it true?
True.
And?
And then she was replaced with Amisha Patel.
Okay. You want to try something different? She's somewhat right.
It wasn't Kareena Kapoor, it was someone else.
Okay, you're mad.
Now
Kareena
you
shot...
want me to name the song also?
No. Kareena shot portion of the film but didn't
Portion of
complete
the
any
film.
song.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Sorry.
so it's a difficult answer because you may have even begun the song.
Okay.
Dharmendra reportedly, this is for the winner. Dharmendra reportedly deliberately made mistakes during his romantic scenes with Hema Malini so he could get extra
Yes.
retakes.
This true.
It's true.
True. This is
In
in Sholay.
Sholay.
In Sholay.
I'm
Yeah.
giving you a chance because you're somewhat right again. Huh? The mistakes were made, but let's say it's something else.
Oh, Amitabh Bachchan kept hitting retake something.
You're thinking somewhat correct, but it's not that.
During his romantic scenes.
Mistakes were made, retakes happened, and the reason was to spend more time with Hema Malini. All that is
yeah.
correct. But what is the
The
actual...
scene.
Nahi,
Oh, the
Baba.
banduk wala. Nahi, okay.
Okay, so mistakes came from...
From Amitabh Bachchan.
No.
From Amjad Khan.
He got the lighting crew to make mistakes so that he
Okay.
could redo the thing all the time.
Okay.
Okay.
You all didn't know this fun fact. It better be right, huh? I sounded a bit wrong. Also, I've seen Sholay 20 times.
So I win, na? I win, na? Who
Yes,
won?
I win! I win Pereira. Well done. Well
He
done.
won.
Yeah. Sorry, bro. Let the ladies win.
Yeah,
Don't
yeah,
feel
sure.
bad.
Yeah.
Let the what the hell? What do you mean let the ladies
तेरे
win?
सामने नहीं बोलता
I
Second
won.
सामने नहीं
question
बोलता है.
Fair and
disqualified
square. No.
because the question was wrong.
No, wrong.
It is a remake of the Malayalam film called...
No, it's a remake of Chandramukhi
So
because
Chandramukhi is a remake of-
Rajnikant's character was closer to the Akshay Kumar
Ek
character
minute.
that he played.
Ek minute.
Okay, you stay here. Huh? I will send a jury and we will deliberate it.
Cinephiles comment में आओ और troll करो
yeah,
Cyrus को.
yeah.
Yeah.
एक मिनट और चंद्रमुखी let the
What are you
internet
doing?
decide.
You're
Tonally
He
Chandramukhi
doesn't
is
have Twitter.
tonally
Bhool Bhulaiya is an official remake of the 1993 Malayalam classic. What is that?
That's the
Tujhe salam.
Tonally Bhool
I'm sorry,
Bhulaiya
game,
is
set,
closer
match.
to Chandramukhi
Why
than it is to the
let's-
original Malayalam film.
Urjita has won Wimbledon. Fuck off.
चलो दिया चलो जीत जाओ.
चलो I won fair.
अरे what? It's
Square.
over.
Did you know Indians report nearly 800 cases of online financial fraud every day, which has resulted in losses exceeding 1,000 crores in the last 5 years? To keep you safe from such fraud, I am starting my newest podcast series, Conversation with Vigilante, an initiative by HDFC Bank. In every episode, I will feature special guests who can share expert insights on the different types of fraud, their modus operandi, and how you can protect your money. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't forget to tune into Conversation with Vigilante. Catch the episodes on all audio streaming platforms and V for Vigilante YouTube channel.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो,
प्लीज तमीज से बात करना है ना, इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल यार.